Welcome to Marine Tech Hub. Today I like to thank all my subscribers all over the world for subscribing me and making my YouTube channel Marine Tech Hub to the highest level. I would like to tell a little bit more about my channel. I have been running this channel for the last 5 years. Last 4 years the channel was free. Now I have come to a level where I got the membership. So membership level 1, 2, 3. The level membership 5, which is rupees 3999. In this channel, where I am be giving you all the videos for 1 year, plus I'll be helping you for all the troubleshooting at real time from anywhere. So lot of superintendents, chief engineers and all engineers are calling me for troubleshooting. I am very happy. It was my dream that I should have a channel like this where I'll be able to help people and shipping companies to save time and money. So you can always choose whichever membership you want, but level 5 I'll give you all the help, and online training I'm giving you online training for rupees 1499. Plus if you want to subscribe, you can pay me. The bank details are here. If you want to pay through bank, and if you want to pay through Paytm, you can scan the QR code. So I'll very much thankful to all the subscribers again, and have a nice day. Thank you. Welcome to Marine Tech Hub. Today I would like to explain about the latest electronic engine. For RT-Flex engine, we have a module called FCM, which is Flux Control Module. This is the heart of the engine. And for ME engine, we have MPC. MPC is nothing but multi-purpose controller. Same concept we are using in the car. For the car it is ECU, electronic control unit. Okay, so if engineers working on the latest engine, they should know the heart of the engine is flux control module for RT-Flex engine. So this flux control module, what you are seeing here, where all the important components are connected. For RT-Flex engine, you have the crank angle sensor, we have the ICU, injection control unit, we have the VCU, valve control unit. Then we have got different sensors connected, like temperature, pressure. There are different components connected. You can see the LED lights. When it is running, all this will show: exhaust valve opening, closing, all the parameters you can see here, light blinking. So this is the heart of the engine. You should have enough spare. One spare is normally mounted in parallel with the unit. Suppose you have 6 units, one spare will be connected, and it will be continuously programming it, and you can use it whenever you want. This is for the flux control module for RT-Flex engine. Okay. Similarly, we are using electronic control unit for car. You can see now all the cars, electronic cars, if something happens to this unit, then the engine will not run. So all the sensors are connected. Like we have here, you can see this is engine control module here. If the battery is not working properly, then also it will not start. We have got different sensors here. So we have for the wiper, we have for the coolant pump, we have battery source. Then for the injection, we have different, all similar to the ship. The car is also having a lot of sensors, and if this sensor is not working, then you will have problem. So whenever you are giving the car for the wash, make sure this is covered properly, otherwise you will spend 10 to 15,000 or more than that for the repair, or the new one will be costing you maybe a lakh of rupee. So very important for people who have car with electronic unit. So now if you are going for the ME engine, we have got the multi-purpose controller. Here also what is happening is, in this multi-purpose controller we are using angle encoder. It is similar to crank angle sensor, and even we have the valves which are opening is connected. Then we have the other pressure, temperature, all the sensors are connected here. So exhaust valve opening, closing, all. So this is the heart of the engine for ME class, that is ME engine. So you should have enough spares. So you can see there are spare connections also. Suppose this doesn't work, then you can use a spare connection. I have explained about multi-purpose controller separately, showing how to connect and what are the parameters the electrical officer should know. So if you have any doubt regarding the latest engine, you let me know, and if you like the video, please subscribe. My email address, phone number is available. So I am helping people on real time. People are calling me from the ship, chief engineers, even superintendents calling from different companies for the troubleshooting. So my channel is really helping them out to save time and energy for the company. Thank you.